Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are continuing the American Things That I Miss series. However, this isn't quite the same because we are making homemade marshmallows. Now, you can actually find marshmallows in Germany, so before somebody says, but I bought them at Aldi, I know, I buy them there too. But if you're ever in the mood to just make them yourself, let's see how we can make them. Let's get started.
Not very many ingredients at all. We need 2½ cups or 500 grams of sugar, 3/4 cup or 200 milliliters of water, 1/2 cup or 125 milliliters of water for the gelatin, 2 1/4 tablespoon or 20 grams of gelatin, a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract or 1 tablespoon vanilla sugar, powdered sugar. In a medium saucepan, combine sugar, vanilla sugar, and 3/4 cup or 200 milliliters of water. Stir to combine and then don't stir anymore. In a small bowl, combine 1/2 cup or 125 milliliters of water with the gelatin and allow to bloom at least 5 minutes. Heat sugar syrup over high heat until syrup reaches hard ball stage. Once the syrup has reached the right phase, beat gelatin in a stand mixer and pour slowly into the bowl with the mixer on. Beat on high for about 6 to 8 minutes or until the volume triples in size and mixture is white. Pour into a buttered baking form. Sprinkle with a bit of powdered sugar and allow to set up at room temperature at least 4 hours. Butter knife before cutting. Cut into pieces. Toss in powdered sugar. Okay, full disclosure, these marshmallows turned out very sweet and much harder than the fluffy marshmallows you buy in the store. I would compare them more to the marshmallows in Lucky Charms than the ones you roast over a fire. I hope you enjoyed the recipe anyway. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.weebly.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.